the shop.
What did you want?
Granddad,
Huh?
I like to be in the shop.
Yeah. What did you want?
No.
Yeah, tell me what did you want? Jeremiah, what did you want? You want sweet? You want what? What did you want? Isaiah, what did you want? Sweet. What did you want? Hello. What did you want? Look what?
Getting the keys.
Why did you get a key? Yeah, pull the key back. Eh. You know how to open the door? Yeah, open the door. Open it. Hey. Jeremiah, you know how to open the door?
No.
No. The keys. What are you doing with the keys?
There's a key.
The keys. The keys. The keys.
Mom.
Leave down.
Mom.
Yeah, leave it.
Keys. No.
It's freezing outside.
Maybe be very soon.
Yeah, it's freezing. Yo, freezing outside.
My cutest.
Come put your jacket. Come. Yeah, it's freezing, yeah?
I go put my jacket on.
Gabriel must go. Jim. 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 I'm coming. Yeah, come. You come here. You want what? You want to change? You want that one? You want that one? You want that one? You want that one? That's for the girls. Yeah, take that one. Take that one. You try that one. Try. Yeah, try. Yeah. Try to give Jeremiah that one. Just for 5 minutes, huh? Jeremiah, you take that one. Take that. That's better. That one is better. Yeah. Yeah. I'm coming. Go, 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 go. Pilo. You go now. You go yourself. Are you okay? Yeah, the airplane. Did you see that?
No.
Did you see that? Are you tired? Yeah?
Hello?
Are you tired? Yeah? What did you want? You want to move? Huh? Isaiah, are you okay? Sure. Jamie, I'm tired, huh? I'm tired, huh? I'm tired, huh? Wait. What is wrong with you? What is wrong? Why did you cry? Why did you cry? Stop crying. Stop crying. I'm tired. Why did you cry? Move. Just move. 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 Look, Isaiah. Isaiah, move. Isaiah, move. Isaiah, move. Isaiah, move. Move. Move with your scooter. You see? You see? Isaiah can't move. What about you? Big boy, move now. Show me how you can move. Yeah, go. 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 Are you happy?
Yes.
Are you happy?
Yes.
One more time. One more time.
Huh?
Did you want one more time? One more time. Yeah. No, no fight. I don't want people to fight. Yeah, you see? Your brother help you. That good. Yeah, Isaiah, good boy. Isaiah, good boy. Do it again. Help her. Help him. Reverse now. Reverse. Go back. Yeah. Slowly, slowly, yeah. Slowly. When you do that, do it slowly, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Stop. Reverse now. Reverse. Slowly, yeah. Reverse. Slowly. Slowly, slowly. Look, look, look. Follow me. When you reverse, just put it like slowly, 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 slowly. When you push in the phone, slowly, slowly, slowly. You see?
I go backwards. I go backwards.
Yeah. Be careful. Okay. Okay. We want to take a break. Did you want a break? You want to drink your milk? We want a break. We take a break. A break. Break. A break. Jeremiah, we are going to take a break, yeah? We'll take a 10-minute break, yeah? You drink your milk, after that we'll be back, okay? Just for 10 minutes. Okay. Woo! Good boy. Okay. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Yeah. You see that? Is it Isaiah?
Yeah.
How old are you? How old are you?
3 years old.
3 years old.
Yes.
All right. How old are you?
3.
How old are you?
3.
How old are you?
3.
You know you are not 3. You don't know. You don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you want?
I like cheese.
You want tea. What about you?
Huh?
Juice. What did you want? Juice. Eh? You are quiet.
I like juice.
Juice. Let me give you juice.
Me.
Take one. Open it.
Okay. Yes.
Are you okay? Jeremiah? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Shoo. Are you okay? What make you laugh? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay, big boy? Yeah, take one. Are you okay? Close the door. Oh, good boy. Good boy.
I'm a good boy.
You are good.
I'm good boy. I tried.
You are a good boy.
Granddad,
Yes.
we need a straw.
What did you want?
We need a straw for juice.
Juice. Where are you going? Where are you going? You don't know? Bye.
Bye.
Where are you going?
Bye.
Where are you going?
Bye.
Yeah?
Bye.
Bye. Where are you going? Are you going? Where are you going? Eh? Where are you going? Isaiah. What is that on the phone for you? What is it?
Christmas tree.
I did not hear you. What is it?
Christmas tree.
Did you like it? Hmm?
Yes.
Yeah.
Cake.
Hmm?
Cake.
You want it?
I like cake.
You like cake? Why want you to eat? Why did you want to eat now?
Cake.
Cake. The mkumbe.
Yeah.
Why did you want to eat? Cake.
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 And tiny nose.
Yeah.
Reindeer.
Yeah.
The reindeer.
Yes.
She
Jeremiah.
tiny nose.
Yeah. Jeremiah.
Huh?
Where are you going now? You don't know. You don't know where are you going.
Okay.
Okay.
I like cake.
What make you laugh? What make you laugh? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Say something. I don't know. I don't know. What is wrong with you? Did you finish your juice? You know where to put the empty box?
Auntie Dante.
Yeah, put it in the kitchen.
Auntie
In the bin.
Auntie Dante.
Yeah. Hey. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Where are you going?
Oh, yeah.
Where are you going?
A kitchen.
In kitchen.
Yes.
In kitchen. In kitchen. Where are you going? Where are you going?
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look here, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.